Welcome. Now we will start our training related to MB gear panels. In this training, I will start with legends. These are also called symbols. These symbols will be used in the drawing, so it is important to understand these symbols. So we will zoom in. So here you can see that this is the symbol of circuit breaker. So you can easily remember this one by seeing the cross sign. Cross means you can understand that this is circuit breaker. Cross means it can cut. Means cross means is cutting something. As we know, tick means accepting. Cross means cutting. So this circuit breaker can break the current. Can cut the current. So this is the symbol of circuit breaker. This is the symbol of disconnector. It is similar to circuit breaker except the cross sign. So disconnector is an off-load device. It means if the load is off, so the disconnector can be operated. But if the load is on, the circuit breaker has to operate first, and then you can operate the disconnector. Then you have a load break switch. So load break switch can operate even at load. It can break the load, but it is not operating automatically. It do not have any protection device for sensing the fault current and opening it, so it is used as a load switch. Then you can see the another symbol that is related to earth switch. So this is basically the symbol of earth switch. Here you can see the next symbol is for high voltage fuse. Okay, and the next symbol is for lighting arrestor. So if there is any surges in the system, like high voltages more than the rated values, then this lighting arrestor will ground these voltages and protect the equipment. This is the symbol of current transformer, CT. It is a 3 here is showing it is a 3-phase CT. So next symbol is 0 CT. It is basically a current transformer which is measuring a 0 sequence current, sum of all 3 currents. So here they have shown 3 phases and they have put a CT across it, so the sum of the flux induced in the CT will be equal to sum of all 3 currents. Then you can see VV connection PT. So it's simply star connected PT. Then you have YY open delta connected PT. So this is the symbol of, this is basically YY connection PT. This is YY and open delta connection PT. So we will discuss in the drawing when it comes what's the meaning of this. Later you can see we have a phase indicator, and this is basically a capacitive voltage indicator which is installed in the MV switchgear, and it is installed in the bushing, and it is basically glowing when the cable is live or any equipment or part like bus bar is live. Next we have symbol of earthing. Okay, after that we have symbol of plug and socket or withdrawable selection. So something which you can withdraw, or it's like a female contact of a plug, and this is a male contact of the plug and socket. This symbol is showing the hand operation. In the MV switchgear, for example, you have spring is used to open and close the breaker. But if, for example, motor is faulty, then the spring can be charged manually by hand operation by basically using a special tool. Then we have key operation. So this is the symbol of key operation. Next we have symbol for motor operation, M. Then we have another symbol which is used for show as a mechanical interlocking. After that we have a symbol of cable end. Then we have a symbol of non-linear resistor. You will see the other symbols used in the drawing. We have another symbol of normally open switch. It means that if a switch will open, this contact will be open. When switch is closed, this contact will be closed. So this auxiliary contact will follow the position of main switch. Then we have symbol of normally closed switch. It means when the switch is at normal position or open position, this contact will be closed, and when the switch is closed, this contact will be open. So it means that this switch will follow not follow the position, but it will be inverse or inverted as compared to the main switch positions. So if you want to understand the basic concept of these symbols on basics of drawings, you can go to my training which are related to engineering drawing 1 and 2. These are for very basics. So if you are having difficulty, you can always enroll in my these two trainings. Okay, then we have a push button. This is a symbol of push button. When you push it, the contact will be closed, and it will automatically, when a person release the hand, it will go back automatically. Then we have a turning button. After that, you can see the symbol of MCB, miniature circuit breaker. Then we have a symbol of lamp, journal. Then we have a 3-position indicator. So these are also called as semaphore indicators, and these are specially available or installed on the MV switchgear MMIC to show the position of switchgear like isolator, circuit breaker, or R switches. Then we have indication of link. So basically this is a removable link. Then we have a changeover link. You can change the link from 2 to 3. Then we have a symbol for relay coil, this simple relay coil. After that, you can see we have another symbol, and that is time relay. Time relay is basically, you can see this cross sign here in a small box. This is mean a timer is installed with this auxiliary relay. So for example, if voltage is applied or this relay picked up, the timer will also start. After predefined time of, for example, 2 seconds, 4 seconds, the contactor will closed. Then we have NO on delay. So it's a normally open contact, but it will operate after some delay. Similarly, we have normally close on delay contact. You can see here. Then we have normally close off delay contact. Now here you can see we have symbol of ammeter. So A is used to show ammeter. Then we have symbol of voltmeter. So here you can see that V is shown as a voltmeter. There when we have another symbol of current transformer, and in this one they have also drawn the polarities like 1s1 and 1s2. They have also shown 0 CT, 0 sequence CT here again. Then they have shown a PT symbol. Then they have shown us Parker gaps. After that you can see the horn. So this is installed in annunciator. Then we have a bell, symbol of resistor. We have a symbol of heater, symbol of space heater. Then we have symbol of fan. Then we have symbol of VCB terminal are shown by circle. Field terminals are shown by box with a cross sign. Looping terminals are shown by this symbol. Similarly, remote control mechanism box terminal are shown using this symbol. Then current link is shown by this symbol. Test block is shown by this symbol. So these are the symbols that are use in this drawing. So when we will study the drawing, you have to be familiar with these symbols. So you can see the mounting location. Plus T is a low voltage door, plus B is a LV compartment, plus F is frame, plus E is withdrawable part. So these are basically, if you want to understand more about the MV switchgear, I have a separate training, so you